Yeah, I work here as a nurse, working in the MCH, maternity department, and general nursing in the whole facility. Since we received the Vaccibox that uses the solar power, we haven't been facing any challenges in terms of vaccinating, because now when there is no electricity, we tend to transfer the vaccines from the electric refrigerator to the Vaccibox. So it becomes very convenient for us and even for the clients, because they tend to get immunization any day, anytime they come, and it can also be accessed anytime because there is power all through. Yeah, so basically the challenges that we have been there before are now over since we received the Vaccibox. Normally our workload is higher. Normally we do have a lot of patients. They come daily and we do the immunization daily. So the challenges they've been having was you go back home, you come back because there is no electricity. So you get most clients come from far. There is challenge in terms of economy, money. There is no transport. So since we received the Vaccibox, we don't have that problem again. So the turn-up is just the same, only that we don't have missed opportunities. Children missing vaccinations or lost to follow-ups or disappearing to other facilities. Any improvement I would suggest, space will require maybe a bigger Vaccibox for the storage of the vaccines, because this smaller can be convenient for the outreaches. Currently we don't go with them outreach because we fear carrying it to the outreach and then maybe it appears a power breakout in the facility. So when we bring bigger Vaccibox, we'll be able to use the smaller ones in outreaches.